Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Defender 3-litre D300 X Dynamic HSE, finished in Carpathian Grey metallic exterior paint. With 20-inch, 5-spoke satin dark grey alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include black exterior pack, matrix LED headlights, front fog lights, fixed side steps, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, expedition roof rack, side mounted gear carrier, and on the rear door we can see the spare wheel cover. As we enter now into the rear of the cabin, we can see the folding third row seats, the second row seats, and the rubber load space liner. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sunroof from the inside, and the ebony Windsor leather seats with the ISOFIX child seat mounts, and the second row climate controls on the centre console. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the Meridian sound system badge on the door card, and the heated and cooled front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the adaptive cruise controls with the heated steering wheel button, digital gauge cluster display with satellite navigation, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the heated and cooled seat controls, and the 3D surround camera system. On the centre console we have the climate controls with the ride height buttons, USB sockets, and the twin cup holders. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.